You've been given 5 scores with a sum of squares of 100. So we've got a sum of squares equals to 100. If you were informed that these scores make up a sample, the sample variance would be what? So the sample variance is how much? And if instead you were informed that these scores make up a population, the population variance would be how much? So this is what we have to figure out. We know that n is 5 scores, and so we know that if we're dealing with a sample, that would be that small n is equals to 5. If we were dealing with a population, we would be calling that big N is 5. Okay, so we need to figure out how to work these out, and actually they're fairly straightforward. When I've got a sample variance, my formula is sum of squares over little n minus 1. So this is 100 over 5 minus 1, that's 4. I've got 25 is my answer. If instead I'm dealing with population variance, it's still the sum of squares on top, but it's big N on the bottom, and I don't subtract 1. I'm just going to have a division by 5. And so this gives me an answer of 20. And so I'm going to be looking for a situation where the sample variance is 25, or I'm going to be looking for an answer where the sample variance is 25, population variance is 20. So sample variance 25, population variance 20, that is my answer right there. It's C.